Third one, we have to change the sentence in passé composé. See the first one. Third exercise, first one. Paul et Michel arrivent devant le palais de Versailles. Paul and Michel arrive in front of the Versailles Palace. Second one, les écoliers commandent une pizza. The school people are ordering for a pizza. Third one, tu bois beaucoup de jus de pamplemousse. You drink a lot of juice of pineapples. Number 4, Ramesh va au marché. Ramesh is going to the market. Fifth one, vous rentrez de Bordeaux. Are you returning from Bordeaux? 5 sentences given. See here, this 5 sentence, in the question itself, the words are, in this actual sentence, it is given, change and given. This 5 verbs in already it is conjugated and given there. Okay. So blue color word is already conjugated in present tense. So you must supposed to do this present tense to passé composé. So now see here, identify the words. First word, normally verb is placed after the subject. Subject is in the first place and verbs are in the second positions. Okay, second word, everything we can see in the verb. We must change this word in the infinitive form. It's already conjugated in present tense, so we have to change this in infinitive form. Whenever the verb is in infinitive form, it might end with the er, or it might end with the ir, or it might end with an ending re. This 3 model only we are having. So infinitive word of these words we must write now. Arrive, verb arrive. Arrive comes from the verb arrive. Okay. Second one, command. It comes from the word commanding. So command is come from the word commanding. Third one, boire comes from the word boire. Boire comes from the word boire. Val, it comes from the word aller. Aller. Then last one is rentrer. It comes from the word infinitive form rentrer, or entrer. So all the infinitive word we noted here. Okay. Just to see here, 3 words I highlighted in yellow color. Arrive, aller and rentrer. It's highlighted in yellow color. So you must think and do what we have to see here, what we have to do here. So this word we have to conjugate in passé composé. It's a 2 auxiliary word is there, either avoir or être. So the verbs are found in the optimistic box, that the box is given in your book. That verb is forms in the optimistic form, we can use the avoir verb. Otherwise we must use it in the être verb. Okay. So here the highlighted word is used in, is not in there. So we can use it in the être verb. Être conjugations you must revise. I already sent you. So that conjugated you must use and write here. This word change and write it in passé composé. Arrive, aller and rentrer. Use être auxiliary verb. And remaining command and boire, we can use avoir as the auxiliary verb. Okay, so we can see now. First one, être, see the subject properly. Agreement is there for auxiliary verb, être verb. If you use there, we must see that ending is the past participle. How to conjugate these 3 verbs I will explain, and remaining verb also side by side we can do now. Okay, so we must do what we are going to see here. Listen. Then Main thing, you must mug up that box in your book. Boxes there that you must keep in your mind. Then only this is everything is easy for you. Okay. So otherwise, it is difficult. So go through that box once again. So see the subject. According to the subject, you must change this word. Okay. Listen now. Okay. First one, Paul et Michel. 2-person. Ari. Paul et Michel. Subject. And the verb you have to change now. And pronoun for this is elle. Boy, plural form. Boy and girl. So plural subject is they. So it is changed for ILS. So ILS is in plural form. Eighth conjugation for plural form is what will come? Eighth conjugations SONT. Verb arrive, you can write past participle word. It is ending in ER only. General rule. ER and add E accent grave. Then it is plural form. So I have to add S also. ARRIVE accent grave. Answer. Okay. Then see here. Eighth conjugations. Few rules you have to see. Agreement you have to see here. End is adding with the past participle. So you have to use here S. Past participle word agreement is adding S in the end because in the subject you having in plural form. It is 2 people. Okay, so subject is ILS. Ills. Okay, so you can add S in the ending word. Okay, Paul et Michel sont arrivés devant un palais de Versailles. Paul and Michel have arrived or arrived. Les écoles commande. See here, les écoles already is in plural form. Commande. Commande is not found in there. So you have to use avoir as the auxiliary verb. So see here, les écoles, the school students, plural form. Okay. Pronoun for our. Our conjugations in plural form is they. Okay, third persons, school peoples. So you must conjugations plural form. Our conjugation is last one. What will come? Les écoles is plural form. Clearly, our conjugation is ONT. Okay. Commande, you can see in general rule ER. So E accent grave. ER you can cut. You add E acute. Don't add here S at the end because you are using our conjugation. So you should not use S. Use our as the auxiliary verb. We no need to add S in the end. Les écoliers ont commandé une pizza. The school peoples have ordered for pizza. Tu boire beaucoup de jus de bambus. You drink is singular. Tu. Okay. So boire you can use our as the auxiliary verb. So tu is the subject. So our auxiliary verb is are. Boire irregular verb bu. Bu. You can add. Okay. Tu as bu beaucoup de jus de pamplemousse. That's all. Okay. Then see here. Ramesh va au marché. Aller. Aller verb. So you must use être verb here. Être verb conjugation. See the subject. Ramesh is the subject. It's a EST because IL is the subject. EST. And verb you have to change it as past participle. Aller. ER is the end. And cut ER. E accent grave you have to add. You agreement because after verb you used. But subject is Ramesh is the third person masculine singular. So you no need to add s at the end because it is singular. Okay. Ramesh est allé au marché. The last sentence is vous rentrez de Bordeaux. You have returned from Bordeaux. Vous, it's rentré is there. Domestic form is not found. We have to use être conjugation. Vous êtes rentré. General rule er you can cut it and e acute. Rentré, then plural form, so I have to add s in the end. Subject is vous. We don't know because ending with plural. X is identification to ending with the plural, so you must add s in the end. That's all, girls. Thank you.